Like a kind of end of rainy season, but yeah, today rainy day, and I cannot really go somewhere and do something, and today's episode is kind of under the question. Laura is working from our dive center. That's how she's doing it. And something you have to understand, I'm constantly experimenting with my content. I'm trying to keep it interesting for you. So that's why I started all this underwater, relaxing underwater episodes. It's not like episodes, it's just videos. And today will be a new version of it. So don't miss it. And so yeah, so will be something new today. So instead of my talking head, there will be only my voice. Inhale, exhale, and listen to my voice. You know, there is something in that diving. I think in my life nothing else gives me that satisfaction or that relaxation as diving. When I'm going to the mountains, all this process to get up to the summit, it takes a lot of effort and in some point also some frustration, but when you just get into the water, it's immediately relaxing you down. And when you moving underwater, it's like it's so relaxing and it doesn't allow you to rush. When you start rushing, it's just simply you get exhausted and you want it or not, you slow down. I think when you are underwater, it's something happen also to your brain, because it's just same as your body, also your brain have to slow down just because it feels so useless to rush and think something about underwater. It's just you wanna switch the brain off and just watch around. That changed my life actually. I understood that there can be something more important than just things, and I mean material things and all these houses and cars. And that was a moment when I decided to change my life and move away from all these material things and start absolutely new life without any guarantee. I don't know, I think that's different understanding of success. The people think that, so let's say you have a lot of material stuff, then only then you are successful, while when you are here in this environment, then you start thinking about that success is actually to be happy about your life, about yourself and something you do, being in a place where you want to be and doing things what you want to do. I think that's the real success. I know a lot of people who would like to change their lives and they're planning to become a dive masters or instructors without having any previous experience about diving. They just have this big idea to become a diving professional and to live the dream, but it's actually not their own dream, it's a dream of someone else. It's actually maybe my dream they get infected with. Diving is actually like a yoga practice where you really think about every single moment, and where you, in the beginning, you're really thinking about every single breath you do. You're hovering about the reef, you're looking at the fishes, all your focus is on your buoyancy, on your camera if you're photographing or filming. And that makes you like, it's like separating you from this material world or from all the problems you have back home or on a surface. So underwater, it's like a kind of, it's not absorbing only the light, but it's absorbing also all your problems and troubles. Ocean is like a therapy. And I wish every people can try diving and understand the same things what I am understanding, and the people with whom I'm diving. The people who are locked at the moment back home and they're really missing diving just because they need to get this feeling. All right, thank you very much for participating in this experiment. Hope you like. If you like, please let me know. It was just an experiment. Something I've been thinking about really long time, but I wasn't brave enough. Because you know, it's the one thing is to talk on camera and another thing is just to do the voiceovers. It's a kind of challenge at the moment for me. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.